Hey everybody, 9:21, 32 seconds, Friday, March 8th. This is the drawing for the Avengers 57, the nice raw copy. Sorry for the delay. I didn't think I had to take a work phone call till about 9:30, and gentleman decided to call me much earlier. So I just got off the phone call, and I can get this run for you. Anybody who participates in these with me knows that I get these things done quick. This thing filled in like 20 minutes. Unfortunately, the phone call happened just as I was filling the last couple of spots. So had to get that done. Work comes first. So that was the 16 filled spots over here. Here's the 3 dice. Number is 11. I'm going to randomize 11 times. Name at the top of the list will get the book. It's going to go in today's mail. All right, so here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here comes the final one, 11. Spot 11, Adam Prohl. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. Congratulations. Time is 9:22 and 43.